So in this scenario, we are making certain action available only for system administrators. So on an account record, we have certain actions, right? If you open an account record, you see that there are certain actions. And this delete button is kind of a dangerous button. You have to be careful with it, right? You don't want to give that or make that button available to other users because they may delete your records, and we don't want that to happen. So let's remove that delete action from our users. Let's make that available only for system admins. Okay, so in order to do that, we will go to Setup and then Edit Page. It will take us to the Lightning page, to the account record Lightning page. And here, what we have to do is we have to click in this highlight panel. So this is called the highlight panel. Okay. And once you click there, okay, it displays this message. It's asking me upgrade to dynamic actions. You can now configure dynamic actions for the highlights panel in the Lightning App Builder. The actions will be enabled for desktop. And highlight panels content comes from compact layouts and page layouts. So this highlight panel content, this actions or buttons that you see over here, they come from compact layouts and page layouts. So as you know, for the account, we have page layouts, right? So these buttons over here are coming from our page layouts and the compact layouts. Now, if I want to hide certain action here from other users and keep it available only for admin users, then Salesforce is requiring me to upgrade this to dynamic actions. Currently, it is not dynamic actions. I have to upgrade this. So I'm going to click here. And by the way, you get this message displayed when you click on this highlight panel. And then this message gets displayed. You can go ahead and say, yes, go ahead and upgrade. Click that button. And then it's asking you how you want to upgrade that. Do you want to migrate or start with actions from an existing page layout? Or do you want to start from scratch and choose new actions in the Lightning App Builder? I'm going to say, let's migrate the existing actions and add filter later on. So I'm selecting this option, clicking on next, and it's asking me select the source page for your dynamic actions. Okay, source page. So currently, which page is assigned to our admin user? Let's go and find that out. So currently, let me duplicate this tab or duplicate that tab. And what I will do is I will go back. Okay. So this is still open over here. I'm going to just double check to see which page layout is being used by users and by the admin user. So I'll go to Object Manager, Account, go to Page Layouts, and check Page Layout Assignment. And I see that for our admin user, this account layout has been assigned, okay? Account layout. So over here, I will select account layout. There's also standard user. You have one option to select here. So I'm choosing the account layout to migrate the existing dynamic actions. I'll migrate the existing actions from this account layout and then add a filter. Let me click finish. Now when I upgrade it, I get to see my actions in this order, okay, in this order. All right. What I need to do is I need to find the action that I need to add the filter on, which is this one, the delete action. You have to click on it, okay? And then you see this option to add a filter. Basically, I will go ahead and add this filter, okay? Then I have to make this available only for system admins, right? I cannot go with this record field option because this gives me access to the fields on this record. I need to be able somehow to identify or to get to the admin user's profile. So I need to go and find the profile. This option gives you the option to choose phone or desktop form factors. I will go in this scenario to the advanced option. From here, I will click on this select button, okay? And then I will go to the user. From the user, I will go to their profile, okay, profile. And then from here, I will select the name, which means the profile name, and click done. And I will say whenever this profile name equals to system administrator, you have to make sure you type the profile name correctly without any spelling error. I'm going to say system administrator, okay, administrator, okay, see, I have to make sure it's spelled correctly, administrator, all right? So if you want to be 100% sure, you can just copy that and paste it there. Whenever the user's profile name is system administrator, display this, otherwise don't display, and click done. One more time. Now you see this icon got added to this button or action. Now I have to save this. All right. This is the first time I'm making a change to this record page. That's why Salesforce is requiring me to activate this. So I'm going to activate that. And I will make it org default for the entire org, okay? If the user profile is admin, it should get displayed. Otherwise, it shouldn't get displayed. Let's select this option, click next, and save. Let's click on save button one more time, and then we will navigate back. Currently, I'm logged in as the admin user, and I can still see that delete button. You see, nothing has changed actually for me. All these buttons or actions are still there. I can still see this delete button. But if I log in as my test user and check this, the test user should not see that delete button. Let me go to my test user account, right? All right, here is my test user account. I will do a quick refresh and then open an account record. Let's open this record and see if I have that button. All right, I still see that button. Let me do a refresh. One more time, a harder refresh. Now that button is gone from here. So I had to do harder refresh to make those changes take effect. All right. So again, the test user is viewing account record, and that test user is not able to see that delete button. But on the other side, let me go to my admin user, and the admin user is able to see the existing delete button. Okay, here it is. okay? But the test user is not able to see it. All right. That's basically how we add filters to actions. And just remember, in order to add these filters, we had to upgrade to dynamic actions. Otherwise, Salesforce would not allow us to do it.